There. Hello guys, let's find out the area of composite figure. So we'll start one. So this is one figure. This we will denote the sides A, B, C, D, E, then F, G, H. That's all. Now we can divide this figure into different rectangles and triangles, and we can find out the area. Suppose now we know this side is 7 centimeter. It is given. This total is 12 centimeter. If we produce line like this, so this is 7 centimeter, and this remaining is 5 centimeter. Now we'll proceed this line up to this, and we'll make it a point M. Then this line is, this is 7 centimeter, so this is 7 centimeter. The total is 15 centimeter this side, so remaining will be 8 centimeter. This will be 8 centimeter now. So we can find out the areas accordingly. So see, this is one triangle, sorry, this is one rectangle, M, D, B, A. You can write it A, B, D, M is one rectangle. The area of this rectangle is equal to length into breadth, where the length is up to this is 12 centimeter and this will be 8 centimeter. So 12 into 8 centimeter is equal to 96 centimeter. So this is 12 into 8. 96 centimeter square is our area of this figure, and this is our. Now we have got another rectangle. This rectangle is M, E, G, H. M, E, G, H. So area of this is equal to length into breadth. Length we know this is 5 centimeter and this is 7 centimeter. So 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35 centimeter square. So that is another figure. Now we are left with right angle triangle and semicircle. So area of triangle, this triangle BCD, we know it's a right angle triangle, so area is equal to half into base into height. The base is given 9 centimeter and height is, we know this is 8 centimeter up to this. This is 8 centimeters. So we'll put the value over here. We'll cross it. It's a 36 centimeter square. So we got three values here, and now we are left with this semicircle. We know the area of a circle is equal to pi r square, and area of semicircle or half circle is equal to pi r square oblique 2. In this figure, we know this distance is 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter is the diameter of this circle, and the radius will be half of that. So radius is equal to 5 oblique 2 is equal to 2.5 centimeters. So we can substitute the value over here. So this is pi is 22 oblique 7. R value is radius is 2.5 into 2.5 oblique 2. So if we remove these decimals, then this is 25 oblique 100 total oblique 2. So one decimal, 10 of this becomes 100. We will cancel it. So we are left with 275/28. This is equal to 9.82 centimeter square. So we'll add all the values and we'll come to know the total area of this composite figure. So total area is equal to, one is this 96 plus 35 plus 36 plus 9.82. So that's come to 0.82 is this side. 176.82 centimeter square is our area of this composite figure. So I'll take one more example. Because these composite figures are comprises of area of rectangle, area of triangle and area of circle. So I'll take one more example now. We got a figure like this. This is 8 centimeter. This is a 4 centimeter. This side is 4 centimeter. And this height, up to this height, it is 3 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. So this figure is A, B, C, D and E. So we can bifurcate this figure into a rectangle, one rectangle and one triangle. We join this, so, and join like this. It's a perpendicular over here, so it has become triangle and this is a rectangle. So we can find out the area. Now we know that this area of a rectangle, one rectangle is there, that is A, B, C, E. Whose length is 8 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So the area will be length into breadth is equal to 8 into 4, 32 centimeter square. So that is one. And now we have to find out the area of this triangle. Area of triangle ECD is a perpendicular to this lines and this height is 3 centimeter. It is given. So the area is equal to half into base into perpendicular height, or where the base is given, this base is 8 centimeter, it is already given here. So half into base is 8 and height is 3 centimeter. So we'll cross it, it is 12 centimeter square. We'll add both values, so total area is equal to 32, this figure, plus 12 is equal to 44 centimeter square. So in this way, we can calculate the area of the composite figures. Thank you very much for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel so that you can see more videos. Thank you very much.